It started in Lecture Hall 4. Anita was a bright, cheerful first-year student who had just joined university. She was focused, organized, and determined to make her parents proud. Then came Brian, a charismatic fourth-year student, confident and charming, the kind that turns heads when he walks into a room.
One group discussion led to another, one coffee break turned into many, and slowly, as happens with young hearts, friendship blossomed into affection. But things moved fast, too fast. Within a few months, Anita stopped attending her prayer group. She stopped calling her mother. Her grades dropped. And Brian? He was juggling his final year project, job interviews, and silently growing distant. One chilly afternoon, Anita waited 2 hours outside the library for Brian. He didn't show up. Later, she saw a tagged photo of him on Instagram, smiling, arm around another girl. Her heart broke. Later, during a mentorship talk, Anita listened to a speaker say, "Love is not a game for children. It's a commitment for the mature, those ready to protect, provide, and promise." That day, she made a vow to guard her heart and grow herself first, emotionally, spiritually, and academically. She forgave Brian, but she moved on, wiser, stronger. Today, she's a professional counselor, helping campus students navigate emotions and make better choices.